You get up in the morning, brush your teeth with toothpaste, then go to kitchen, use LPG cylinder to make coffee and breakfast. You use lot of plastic containers and equipments in kitchen. You regularly clean your home with soaps and detergents using rubber gloves. You fill the fuel tank of your car to reach your office. All this is related to chemical engineering profession and possible due to chemical engineering. Chemical engineering covers a large day to day aspect of our lives which is useful for the society and also for the environment. If you are interested in chemical engineering and want to pursue diploma in chemical engineering or BTech in chemical engineering, then Kate Chemical Planet will explain you everything about chemical engineering in more details. What is chemical engineering? Chemical engineering is defined as engineering discipline that converts basic raw materials or chemicals into more useful and finished products of greater values like LPG, petrol, diesel, jet fuels, many petrochemicals, fertilizers, and many more products in an optimal way through a series of steps involving physical or chemical changes. It is a discipline that involves designing processes to transform, produce, and transport material and energy. It is very important to know about foundation of chemical engineering. Chemical engineering combines the principles and application of physics and chemistry with mathematics for the production of bulk materials like medicines, sugar, detergents, fertilizers, soaps, and many more products from very basic raw materials in a most economical and safe way by using unit operations and unit processes. Chemical engineering is a unique branch and very different from its name. So why it is unique branch of engineering? To answer this question, we have to think about domain of chemical engineering. Chemical engineering work from nano scale like design of catalyst or molecular design of drugs to the meso scale such as petroleum refineries to the global scale like air pollution modeling and control. Mathematics plays an important role in chemical engineering. With a strong mathematical background, chemical engineers are able to contribute to design processes, modeling and simulation, and optimization of various engineering systems. Chemistry is also a very important part of chemical engineering. So, what is the relationship between chemistry and chemical engineering? Chemical engineering takes chemistry out of the lab and into the world. This is the most important relationship between chemistry and chemical engineering. Chemical engineering is the broadest branch of engineering. It is also called liberal arts of engineering. So, what is the difference between chemical engineering and other branches? Chemical engineering is good and evergreen branch of engineering. because it is based on three main foundations: mathematics, physics, and chemistry. And it also belongs to biology and economics. Whereas other branches are based upon physics and mathematics only. This is the basic difference between chemical engineering and other branches of engineering. Modern areas of chemical engineering. Over a period of time, chemical engineering has acquired a very strong interdisciplinary characteristics like environmental engineering, biophysics, biotechnology, nanotechnology, sustainability, or green engineering. Some modern processes like hydrogen fuel cell, direct air capture, and alternate energies are being researched and developed into large scale processes by chemical engineers. If you are interested in chemical engineering, then it is important to know about core chemical engineering subjects. Chemical engineering core subjects are Introduction to Chemical Engineering, Process Calculations, Chemical Engineering Thermodynamics, Fluid Mechanics, Mechanical Operations, Heat Transfer, Mass Transfer, Chemical Reaction Engineering, Chemical Technology, Process Dynamics and Control, Plant Design and Economics. These are some core chemical engineering subjects and very important in chemical engineering. Top chemical engineering industries: Indian Oil Corporation Limited, IOCL, ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, NFL, National Fertilizer Limited, GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited, Petronet LNG Limited, SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited, Shell, Exide Batteries, Oil India Limited, Asian Paints, ExxonMobil, Reliance Industries Limited, Kane Energy Limited, SR Oil and Gas. These are top chemical engineering industries. Chemical engineering job sectors. Top chemical engineering sectors are fuel and energy, where petroleum and natural gas play important role. Petrochemical sectors, where ethylene and benzene are the major products. Commodity chemicals include agricultural chemicals and plastics. Specialty or consumer chemicals include paints and adhesives. These are chemical engineering sectors. Another chemical engineering job sectors are microelectronics, where Intel and IBM are very important. Process control, Honeywell and Foxborough. Pharmaceutical sector. In pharmaceutical sector, Sun Pharma and Pfizer are top companies. Food and beverages. Coca-Cola is very good company. Design and construction, Sulzer and Chemtex. Another chemical engineering job sectors are in advanced materials like ceramics, glass, composites, polymers, catalysts, and metals. Chemical engineering touches the day-to-day lives of people in the society, and it is very exciting profession. If you want to contribute to the upliftment of the society, you can definitely join chemical engineering profession. Thank you so much for listening. Subscribe to Gate Chemical Planet for more informative content.